Hello everyone. This year the entire world is battling with coronavirus. Along with the health sector, the education sector got affected the maximum. Our children who used to go to school for the normal classroom teaching and learning, they are not able to do that anymore. The alternative methods of education have come into place. Nagaland, with its own challenges, we have been trying to give this alternative method of education through digital platforms, Doordarshan, All India Radio, and other online platforms to our children. But we have our own challenges. And now the department is tying up with IB Hubs Hyderabad for Dr. APJ project. This can be a game changing project for our poor children if they can participate in it. So, from the department side, we appeal to the public in Nagaland, both staying inside Nagaland and outside Nagaland, who voluntarily want to donate a used smartphone or a laptop to our children. From my level, I am donating one used laptop and a smartphone. So those who are willing, you come to our portal doscnl.in and go to donate a device and enter the details. And the whole system is very transparent. Together we can make a difference. Together we can help our poor children. So please come forward. Thank you.
A warm welcome to everyone to the first session of Dr. APJ project. I'm Pranita, treasurer of Make the World Wonderful organization. So, we are very happy to start the Dr. APJ project on the auspicious day, which is the birthday of Dr. APJ. Right? So, Abdul Kalam ji was an inspiration for many in this country. He inspired kids, he inspired people to dream big, learn new technologies. Right? So we are very happy to start this project on such an auspicious day. So before talking about the program details, I want to introduce you to the team behind this Dr. APJ project. So Meghana is the founder of Make the World Wonderful organization. Right from her childhood, right from when she was 10 years old, her dream was to provide proper education to children, which in turn will result in harmony in the society. So that was her dream right from her childhood. When she was 14 years old, she got to know about IB Hubs. So IB Hubs provided the necessary support for her. So initially, they conducted interviews. Okay, and through these interviews, they ensured that she is right for it and she really has that passion. And then they provided the necessary training, okay, and to build the skills. To run such a project, you need some necessary skills, right? So for that, they have provided a lot of trainings. Okay, so when she was 17 years old, she founded the Make the World Wonderful organization. Today, it's the 5 years anniversary of this organization. Okay, so then there'll be many people with similar interests, right? So IB Hubs also provided her with the core team. Okay, so there are 4 other girls you can see in the image, right? So Meghana, she's on the top. Okay, that is Pranita, Kyati and Soumya. All these 4 girls had a similar vision to provide proper education to kids. So they together run this Make the World Wonderful organization. And also, since they have to focus on the execution of the task, IB Hubs has provided them the necessary administrative support by forming a team. That team is led by Dr. Deepthi. I am a part of that administration team. I am the treasurer of this Make the World Wonderful organization. Today I am very happy to bring this project to every one of you all. Okay, so we'll see about what actually we want to achieve through this project. Our vision is to provide this 4.2 education to 1 crore financially backward children. So the people who can't afford this 4.0 education, we want to provide them free education. Okay, and irrespective of where they are from, the place or what the caste is or the religion, irrespective of those, we want to provide them 4.0 education. and we want to develop them as role models for others. This is our mission and vision. So, with this, we want to provide 4-point education to a lot of children and empower them, and in turn, which will result in harmony in the society. That is a vision, right? So, that is how we want to achieve this. So, this is our Dr. APJ project. Okay, so we'll now know about the different details about this program. Okay, so the first thing is about how we are going to provide these trainings. Okay, all these details as I'm informing to kids, I want to inform these details to the kids, so I'll be explaining them in detail. In case your parents understand that this is for kids, okay, so that they will be able to understand what they are going to get through this program. Okay, so first we are going to talk about personalized training. Okay, so through this program, whatever education that we are going to provide, the trainings that we are going to provide, they are going to be personalized. Okay, see, if you take an example of current system where there is a classroom of 45 children, 50 children, and a teacher will be telling, right? So 1 hour class like this, the teacher will be taking the class. Right? So the teacher won't be having the necessary time to focus on each and every child, right? But the important thing is every child will have their own pace of learning, how they understand, right? So the trainings, the learning should be personalized, right? So what we want to do is we want to provide this personalized training, because every child is actually a diamond. Right? So every child has their own strengths, and if we nurture them in that direction, then they will have a great future, right? So every child is a diamond. That is what we believe in. So that's why to train them in the direction in which they have the strengths, we are providing this personalized training. Okay, so in this personalized training, there are many aspects that we are going to give. Okay, one such aspect is vernacular. So what do I mean by this? Okay, so the training that we are going to provide, we will provide in multiple languages. Okay, currently it's available in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Telugu. Okay, so we'll be providing this in their own mother tongue. Because when it comes to their own languages, what will happen? They'll be able to easily understand, and learning will become very easy, right? So that's why the entire session will be covered in their own languages. Okay, so initially we are starting with 3 languages, then step by step we will cover the major regional languages in our India. Okay, our India has a lot of languages, right? So we'll step by step provide in the major regional languages. Okay, so can you make the slide big? Okay. So, and also when we are bringing these sessions to you, the knowledge which we are going to provide, the 4-point education, these will be in your own language, right? But currently the scenario is it's not like that. Outside, if you search, they're mostly in English, right? So our effort is to bring that education into your own language so that you can be able to easily understand these concepts. Okay, so what is another aspect of personalized learning? The other aspect is starting from zero. Okay, so if you start right from zero knowledge, okay, wherever you are, whether you have zero knowledge or you know some aspects, okay, irrespective of where you are, you can start learning here. Okay, so you need not worry that, okay, I'm not that good at this, okay, my marks are not that good. You need not worry about that. Wherever you are right now, irrespective of that, you can start. Okay, start learning. Okay, so when you start learning, what will happen? You will develop yourself, okay, become 3-pointer ready, and then slowly you will become 4-pointer ready. Okay, if right from the childhood itself, if you start working towards becoming 4-pointer ready, okay, if you are learning all these advanced technologies, how your career would be, how interesting that would be, right? So in that way your career will be wonderful. right? If you start right from childhood and learn all of these things, right? So we will be providing you all this support until you reach 21 years. Even after that, if you need support from our side, you can always register to the programs that the Next Wave company is providing. Okay, so in this Dr. APJ project, we are going to provide you the necessary support until you reach 21 years of age. Okay, so what did you understand? You need not worry about what your knowledge is right now, right? Okay, so what you know, what you don't know, irrespective of that, you can start learning right now. Okay, and wherever you are, we are gonna nicely teach you and make you 3-pointer ready and then give you 4-pointer trainings. Okay, so isn't that amazing? Right from your childhood, you can learn all of these things. Okay, so we have seen about content will be available in 3 languages, and again we'll be providing in multiple languages step by step, right? And then we have seen about you can start right from the 0, right? Then you'll become 3-pointer ready and 4-pointer ready, right? And we'll provide you the necessary support until you reach 21 years. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so let's proceed. The other aspect that you will get in this training is self-paced. Okay, what do I mean by self-paced? Okay, so what you can do is, you can learn at your convenience. Okay, so let's say you started today, okay, your first session, and tomorrow you because of some of your works or some of your school homework or of some other works at home, you couldn't listen to tomorrow's class. Then day after tomorrow, what you could do? You can again listen to the yesterday's class and then do the today's class also, as all these sessions will be recorded. Okay, so as these are all recorded, nicely what you can do, you can again go through the session, okay, and then listen to it, and then you can proceed to the next day's sessions. Okay, in case if you don't understand any concept, you can again go through this video multiple times. Okay, so in this way what will happen? It's not like I'll tell you a class today and then this class won't be available again. No, right? So whenever you want, you can again go through it, understand the concepts, right? So in this way, it will be self-paced. Based on how you learn, at what speed, you can nicely do it again, learn it again. Okay, so in this way, we are going to provide self-paced training. Okay, so can you make the slide big? Okay. So each live session will be nicely recorded. You can always watch it back any number of times. Okay, clear? So nicely you can watch it. Okay, so going forward, next is about interactive sessions. In this personalized training, we are going to provide you interactive sessions. Okay, so what do I mean by interactive? So when you are learning, we will be asking you questions. Okay, and then we will be taking polls, okay, whether you like this or not, whether you understood this or not, okay, and then there will be discussions, okay, you can discuss with other kids, right? So like this, there will be a lot of features, okay, in these sessions, okay. So with this, what will happen? Your learning will become fun. Right? So it will be more like a fun learning, right? So rather than just listening to a class on and on, it won't be like that. It won't be like lectures. It will be fun, exciting, and you'll have a lot of discussions, okay? We'll be asking you questions. You can answer these questions, okay? Like this, it will be very fun and exciting. So we want to make your learning and trainings fun and exciting so that you can work more on this. Okay, you can easily learn, okay, and enjoy this learning process. Okay, so this all is available on our advanced learning platform. Okay, step by step we will provide you these interactive sessions. Okay, next is micro level assessments. So what happens in the micro level assessments? Okay, let's say today you learned a concept. Okay, so in this concept we will give you small assignments. Okay, so what happens when you do these assignments, we will be able to understand what you have understood and what you have to learn more. Okay, where we have to give you the necessary guidance. Okay, in this way we will be able to understand you better. So what we'll do, we will give you small assignments. You can do those assignments. Okay, then you will also understand what topics you actually understood well and what all you have to again learn, right? So in this way you will also be able to understand where you have to improve, right? And also we will also understand where we have to give you the necessary guidance. Okay, in this way, through these micro level assessments, you will be able to learn a lot of things in a very easy way, and we will also be able to provide you the necessary guidance. Okay, then next we'll talk about how you have to learn. Okay, we have seen that the trainings, okay, they are self-paced. Okay, you can see the videos any number of times, right? We have seen about that. And then the whole training is very personalized, right? It will be in your languages. Okay, so we have seen about all of these things. And here what we suggest you is, you just initially start with 30 minutes every day. Okay, let's take baby steps. Okay, slowly we'll increase our time. Okay, initially let's start with 30 minutes every day. Okay, then slowly, once we understood this topic and it's easy, then we'll increase our time a little bit more. Again, we'll increase our time a little bit more. Okay, so in this way, first we'll start with 30 minutes every day. Okay, so like this, we'll take small steps and increase and learn a lot of things, right? Right from my childhood, you can learn all of these things, right? And here we have seen that the training is all personalized, right? So we have understood a lot of things about the training. Okay, since it's an introductory session, we will talk about what all trainings, how it will be. We'll give a glimpse, right? So are you very excited? Right? So interactive videos will be there where you can answer questions, you can answer polls. Okay, you can discuss with other kids. Isn't that amazing? Like this, there'll be a lot of things, okay, where actually your learning will become very happy, fun, okay, and you'll be very active learning new things, right? So are you excited to learn a lot of new things? Is it like really good? I am actually very happy that I'm going to provide all this innovative things and new things to all of you kids, right? Really, it's like you kids, if you learn, it's really happiness for us, right? That is what we aim at, right? So here I want to share a very happy news. That is, we have 10,000 plus registrations. Okay, so right from the day we have announced this Dr. APJ project, we have 10,000 plus registrations. Okay, so many kids are going to get this education. They are going to get empowered in these technologies, this 4.0, right? Isn't that so amazing? You all guys are going to start learning all of these things. Okay, we are very happy that so many people have come forward to learn these things. And we are actually very thankful to the governments and different organizations who have come forward to support us in this project. They actually are registering a lot of people and are approaching us that, can you all do something for our state like this? We are very happy to help these kids, right? That is what our mission is, to provide this 4.0 education to the financially backward people who can't afford this education. Right? So we are very happy to help them out, and we all thank all these people who have come forward, registered these kids, okay, all the organizations and governments, okay, who have come forward and registered the kids and made this happen. Thank you so much.